Welcome. If you are someone who is new to this channel, let me tell you what we do here. I here discuss topic-wise questions that have been asked on different UPSC exams such as CSE, Civil Services, CDS, Combined Defense Services, CAPF, CISF, NDA, Combined Geoscientist, Engineering Services and State PCS. So from today onwards, we will be starting with geography. We have completed ancient history. So the topic for today is origin of universe, earth and life. Let's see our first question. Which of the following are called terrestrial planets? Which are terrestrial planets? The planets that lie between Sun and asteroid belt, that are Earth, Mercury, Mars and Venus. Let's see all the options. Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Mercury. No, Jupiter doesn't lie here. Jupiter, Mercury, Saturn, Earth. Again, Jupiter, Earth, Mercury, Mars, Venus. This is correct. And last, Mercury, Mars, Earth, Saturn. This is also incorrect. So, 4 terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the other 4 are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are known as Jovian planets. Jovian means that are like Jupiter. Terrestrial planets. Terrestrial means Earth-like. It goes. Next, in a group discussion on the shape and size of Earth, 3 students stated the following points. Student 1, the shape of Earth is basically an oblate spheroid. Yes, correct. The polar diameter of the Earth is more than equatorial diameter. No, this is incorrect. Polar diameter is less than equatorial diameter, because we all know that the equator is greater than latitudes of poles. This is the shape of Earth. Bulge along the equatorial region is due to the revolution of the Earth. This is also incorrect. Bulge is due to Earth's rotation, that is due to centrifugal force exerted by rotation. So, 3 is incorrect. Student 1 only, A is your answer. Next, which one of the following about the primary phase of earthquake is not correct? They are similar to sound waves. First, see that waves of earthquake are of 2 types, that are body waves and surface waves. Body waves are further divided into 2, primary and secondary. So let's see the functions of primary wave. Are they similar to sound wave? Yes. They can travel through solid medium. Only through solid medium? No, this is incorrect. They can travel through solid, liquid and gaseous, all the 3 mediums. They travel through gaseous, liquid and solid materials. Yes, correct. They move faster and are first to arrive at the surface. This is also correct. So B is incorrect and this is your answer. Next, what is the approximate percentage of carbon in the Earth's crust? 0.045, 0.025, 0.015, 0.005. Earth's crust only has 0.02 percentage of carbon. So B is correct. Next, which of the following statement are correct with respect to time zones in India? There is one standard time zone for the whole country. Correct. Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island have different time zones. No, this is incorrect. Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours behind GMT. No, it's not behind. It is ahead of GMT. So, A only, 2 only, 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only. 1 only, A is correct. Next. Which of the following has highest concentration in the atmosphere? Argon, carbon dioxide, neon or methane. Constituents of air in atmosphere are in the order nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, neon, then helium. So these 5 you should at least remember. Among these, argon has the highest concentration in the atmosphere. Next, the composition of gases in exosphere is helium and hydrogen, neon and oxygen, neon and hydrogen, helium and neon. Exosphere is mainly composed of extremely low densities of hydrogen, helium, and other heavy molecules of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. So hydrogen and helium, A is your answer. Next. Which one of the following is not a minor plate? Cocos plate, Nazca plate, Caroline plate, or Antarctica plate? There are 7 major plates that are Antarctica, North American plate, South American plate, Pacific plate, Indo-Australia and New Zealand plate, Africa, Eurasia and adjoining oceans. So Antarctica plate, D is not correct, and this is your answer. Next. Advantages of tectonic activity in Iceland includes source of natural geothermal energy, creation of new land, and attraction of tourists. So Iceland has many volcanoes, and volcanic activities have shaped this land. All the 3 are correct. 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3 only. D, 1, 2 and 3 only is your answer. The most famous volcano of Iceland is Mount Helka. Next. Which among the following is the longest latitude? 90-degree latitude, 23.5-degree latitude, 0.0-degree latitude, or 66.5-degree latitude? This is Earth. These are latitudes. So the largest latitude will be this one, 0 degree. So 0-degree latitude, C is correct. Next. Which of the following planets has highest density? Earth has the highest density among all the planets. So D, Earth is correct, and this is your answer. Planets in order of density are Earth, then Mercury, then Venus, then Mars, then Neptune, then Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn. This is the decreasing order of density of the planets. Next. Point of origin of earthquake wave is known as epicenter, focus, photosphere, or seismic zone. Let this be the Earth. Here, earthquake happens. This is the point of origin of earthquake. This will be called focus. And point on the surface of Earth that is nearest to the focus is called epicenter. So B, focus is correct, and this is your answer. Next. Which among the following planets is largest in size? Earth, Venus, Mercury, Mars, Mercury. Among all these terrestrial planets, Earth is largest in size. So A, Earth is correct. Which one of the following best describes lithosphere? Upper and lower mantle, crust and core, crust and upper mantle, lower mantle and core. So C, crust and upper mantle is correct. Next. Which one of the following countries has the maximum time difference from Greenwich Mean Time? India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan. So among all these countries, which is farthest from the Greenwich Medium Time, that is Bhutan. So D, Bhutan is correct. The 4 planets closest to Sun are called terrestrial planets, giant planets, dwarf planets, or gas planets. These are called terrestrial planets. Which are giant planets that are very big in size, like Jupiter. And what are dwarf planets? Dwarf planets are celestial bodies that orbits around sun and have enough mass to assume a nearly round shape, like Pluto. Doesn't set below the horizon at Arctic Circle, doesn't set below the horizon at Antarctic Circle, shines vertically overhead at noon on the equator, shines vertically overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn. So on 21st June, during summer solstice, northern hemisphere witness longest day and the sun doesn't set below the horizon at the Arctic Circle. So A is your answer. The same phenomena can be seen on the Antarctic Circle on 22nd of December. That is called winter solstice. Next, which one of the following represents inner planets? Planets between Sun and Earth, planets between Sun and the belt of asteroid, planets near the Earth, planets around the Sun. So B, planets between Sun and the belt of asteroids is correct. B is your answer. Next, if the equatorial plane of Earth is not inclined to its orbit, then duration of year would be longer, summer would be warmer, there would be no change of season, winter would be longer. C, there would be no change of season. Because of the tilt of Earth at 66.5 degree, sunlight is not equally distributed on the Earth, and this is the reason why we see change of seasons on the Earth. Next, which among the following stars is nearest to the Earth? Sirius, Arcturus, Spica, Proxima Centauri. So D, Proxima Centauri is correct. Next, which of the following planets of our solar system has least mass? Neptune, Jupiter, Mars or Mercury? We have already seen this order. So D, Mercury is correct. What is a constellation? A particular pattern of equidistant stars from the Earth in the sky. A particular pattern of stars that may not be equidistant from the Earth in the sky. A particular pattern of planets in our solar system in the sky. A particular pattern of stars, planets and satellites in the sky due to their position in space. So B, a particular pattern of stars that may not be equidistant from the Earth in the sky is correct. So this was the last question for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be happy. Have a good day and a nice health. Thank you.